Working on our 66 Mustang Coupe here. We're going to replace the fender today. So I'll step you through some of that process. The first thing we're going to want to do is take the bumper off. I've already taken the headlight bucket out, or at least the headlight, and pushed the wiring back into the hole. Let's see what's next. You will notice a grinder down here, and that's because I had to actually grind the bolt off on the underside of that bumper guard. Here we are, coming in, looking in. You can see my wrench is on one, and the other one was right there. So those two are the ones that need to be undone on both sides to get the valance off. Alright, our valance is loose, you can see. It's being held in by the teeth, so we're going to go ahead and pull these off. Alright, well. Yeah, a little worse for a while. Whoever did wiring on here before just hardwired. Just clamped them down. So, that's not how you rewire stuff. Well, we're gonna have to fix that. Alright, so we pulled that bolt out. It sits underneath here. Came out pretty easy. Alright, so we have all the bolts undone here that we're gonna need to just to get the fender off here. So let's get those out. See, those have 7/16. Yeah, it might be faster if I use a air. putting a different fender on here, so I guess it doesn't matter. So first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take this kick panel off. Behind that kick panel we're going to find a bolt hole. Here so you can see what this looks like. This is good actually, to see this plug in here. Sometimes these plugs are missing, and that's bad because then when water drips down from above it can come in here and then you just don't know where your leak's coming from. So behind this, we'll get a screwdriver to pull it out. Behind there is a bolt that holds fender on. Yep, there's a bolt back there. Some mud. Okay, not sure if this is going to be a deep enough socket. Yep. Without dropping it. Oh, it's just like operation. There's our bolt. The other spot we have a bolt on is right back there. Boop, right there. Okay, here's the bolt. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to try to pry this off too, because that's attached to the fender. Go easy on these, slow. That looks like it's got probably one more bolt. Oh, look at that. My cool wife and assistant brought me some tea that is amazing, and thank her tons. Oh yeah, and this is her car. It's called Esmeralda, by the way. All right, if I play my odds good, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then off. Here's our old one. So you can see where the water would drain down and it would just pile up behind this brace and then just rust straight to this side. Now we just need to take our emblems off, put the new one on. Alright, we're cleaned up. We're ready for sealant and the new fender.